Hi, namaste. Na per Prithviraj and you're watching TG Telugu Galam. Don't forget to subscribe.
కేరళ నుంచి 20 మంది యూడీఎఫ్ కూటమి అభ్యర్థులను లోక్సభకు పంపాలని సీఎం రేవంత్ ఆ రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలను కోరారు. తిరువనంతపురం కాంగ్రెస్ సభలో మాట్లాడుతూ ఇవి కేవలం ఎన్నికలు కావు, మోదీపై చేస్తున్న యుద్ధం. ఈ యుద్ధంలో మనం గెలవాలి. ఇండియా కూటమిని బలహీనపరిచేందుకు థర్డ్ ఫ్రంట్ పేరుతో వచ్చే కేసీఆర్, పినరయి వంటి నేతలను ప్రజలు గుర్తించాలి. కేరళలోనూ బీఆర్ఎస్ సర్కార్ లాంటి అవినీతి ప్రభుత్వం ఉంది అని వ్యాఖ్యానించారు.
समराग्नि सभा अध्यक्ष डीसीसी अध्यक्ष रविंद्रन जी एंड पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट सुधाकरन जी, your local leader and close friend of mine, member of parliament Shashi Tharoor ji, chief whip of the Congress party Suresh ji, and chief guest from AICC Sachin Pilot ji, Kerala in charge Deepa Das Munshi ji, Lok Sabha members, Rajya Sabha members, State Congress Party, District Congress Party, Block Congress Party, village presidents, and my closest heart, my heart beats for workers. I know, you know that I am a workers friendly leader. I am not a leaders friendly leader. Kerala is the place for Congress party. Kerala Congress is very important for Congress party. Why? Because all these 5 years or otherwise 10 years, Kerala MPs are fighting like anything against Narendra Modi. Where I can say, where there is no entry for Narendra Modi, Bharatiya Janata Party, that place is Kerala. Hardly they have got second place in Trivandrum, otherwise they don't have any relevance in Kerala. Why? Because our workers are fighting like anything. Our workers are trying to stop Narendra Modi, Bharatiya Janata Party entering in Kerala. इसीलिए मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, जो पिछले 70 साल जो चुनाव हुआ था, अलग अलग मुद्दों पे चुनाव हो रहा था, मगर इस बार जो इलेक्शन होने जा रहा है, एनडीए वर्सेस इंडिया। एनडीए का मतलब तोड़ो, देश को तोड़ो, जनता को तोड़ो, परिवार को तोड़ो। तोड़ने में लग गए 10 साल नरेंद्र मोदी और उनके साथियां। और इंडिया के काम खासकर राहुल जी, क्यों मैं केरला एमपीस इम्पोर्टेंट इसीलिए कहा, लोकसभा में मैं भी था, मेरा साथिया शशि थरूर जी, सुधाकरन जी, सुरेश जी, रम्या हरिदास जी, बहुत सारे लोग लोकसभा में थे। जब भी नरेंद्र मोदी जी को रोकने के लिए, अमित शाह को रोकना है तो केरला एमपीस का जरूरत है लोकसभा में। और एनडीए सरकार को अगर रोकना है तो लोकसभा में केरला एमपीस का, आपके नेता लोगों का जरूरी है। आज के तारीख में कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक 4000 किलोमीटर जिसने पदयात्रा किया, वो नेता राहुल जी केरला से एमपी है। यू हैव गिवन योर वैल्यूएबल वोट टू राहुल गांधी। दैट इज हिज एनर्जी, दैट इज हिज यूएसपी. Because of your support, your blessings, Rahul ji is fighting like anything against Narendra Modi and Amit Shah because of Kerala people are with Rahul Gandhi. He need not worry about his parliament constituency. He need not about his winning or losing. Now he is on behalf of Kerala, on behalf of Congress party, he is trying to his level best to stop Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party NDA Kutami. That is his commitment. Because of your support is there, Kerala people blessing is there for Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi ji. Today I wanted to tell you one thing. You have got 18 seats last election. This time 20 out of 20, you have to work hard, you have to win forthcoming election. Kerala has to play a crucial role in India Kutami. Our General Secretary organization K.C. Venugopal also representing from Kerala. When Rahul Gandhi is representing from Kerala, when Shashi Tharoor ji representing from Kerala, K.C. Venugopal ji representing from Kerala, Ramesh Chennitala ji, who is playing a crucial role in Congress party, he is representing from Kerala. When everyone is representing from Kerala, how come we are going to lose 1 or 2 seats? That is what I wanted to ask my workers and my friends. And moreover, your government, your communist government is like BRS government, corrupt government. I don't find any difference between BRS and Kerala government, Kerala state government. When he has visited to Telangana and he was with KCR, he was eating with KCR. So I am asking simply, when Kerala Chief Minister is clean and transparent government if he is giving, how come he has met Chandrasekhar Rao, former Chief Minister of Telangana? इसका मतलब साथियों कहीं पर भी रहने दो, एक ही साथ में रहते. जहां पर केरला जो प्रैक्टिसेस कुछ कम है, केसीआर से सीखने के लिए आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर वहां पर गए. पैसे कैसे कमाना, सामने पार्टी को कैसे केसेस में कार्यकर्ता और वर्कर्स के खिलाफ केसेस लगाना, जेल को भेजना. हमेशा I used to read in the papers or TVs, Kerala Congress workers fought with our communist workers are killing our karyakartas. It is not good for Communist Party. And our commitment, our fight against Narendra Modi, आने वाले चुनाव में इंडिया सरकार बनाने का जरूरी है. अदरवाइज जो मणिपुर में हुआ था, जो मणिपुर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, दे हैव किल्ड hundreds of people, they have burned like anything for churches and other things. They don't have any tolerance for other communities. When they don't have any tolerance for other communities, how come they are ruling this country? They don't have any eligibility to rule this country for a minute also. इसीलिए मैं एक ही बात, केरला में तो कांग्रेस वर्सेस कम्युनिस्ट, द एंटायर इंडिया इज कांग्रेस वर्सेस भारतीय जनता पार्टी. Tomorrow something goes wrong, everything goes wrong. We have to save our country, we have to save our democracy, we have to protect a common man interest in the country. And our leader, your MP, Rahul Gandhi ji is doing Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra Manipur to Maharashtra. We have to support him, we have to strengthen his hands to fight against Narendra Modi. We have to ask Narendra Modi. He has promised in 2014 and 2019 double income for farmers. Black money from Swiss bank, he wanted to put on a 15 lakhs in each. poorest of the poor families account. And every poor family is going to get Pakka house. And every year 2 crore jobs for unemployed youth. Based on that promise, last 10 years he has to create 20 crore jobs for youth. I only asked a question in the parliament, he has given reply. All these 9 years he has given only 7,21,000 jobs, not even 0.5%. Then how come he is asking again third time, vote for Bharatiya Janata Party or vote for Narendra Modi? He has failed to implement his election promises. We are not asking anything other than his election promises. You debate based on the Narendra Modi election manifesto 2014 and 2019. Ask them to give answer for these questions. After that only they have to ask any vote for Bharatiya Janata Party. ये देश में गांधी परिवार से इंदिरा जी शहीद हुए, गांधी परिवार से राजीव गांधी जी ने शहीद हुआ देश के लिए। मैं एक ही सवाल भारतीय जनता पार्टी और नरेंद्र मोदी अमित शाह जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आपका पार्टी से आपके नेता लोगों में कोई देश के लिए शहीद हुए या कुर्बानी दिए है तो कुछ हिसाब किताब है तो देश को दिखाओ। हमारे पार्टी में हमारे नेता लोगों में हजारों लोग देश के लिए कुर्बानी दिए, जान दे दिए। एक देश को इकट्ठा करने के लिए हमारे नेता लोग बहुत सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस किए, शहीद हुए। मगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी में कौन है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्टार्टेड इन 1981, hardly 40 to 43 years. They don't have any role at the time of freedom, and they don't have any role in development of this country, including Bhatranangal Dam to any development is there. We have done the development. Congress party has done all these developments. So I wanted to appreciate Kerala Congress. Even 2019 very tough time was there. Though you have got 18 parliament seats, you have given I wanted to appreciate our workers. They have sacrificed their lives and they have got 18 parliament seats from Kerala. This time I wanted to appeal my workers, my friends. Please do. Election is not an election. This is a war against Narendra Modi. By hook or crook, we have to win this war. We have to get 20 Lok Sabha seats from Kerala. I am promising you, from Telangana we have 17 parliaments. Out of 17 we are going to get at least 14 parliament seats. That is what my workers' commitment. I wanted to take commitment from you and my friends. Are you ready to promise 20 parliament seats for India Kutami?